6 Most Expensive Cars in the World 2022. Number 1. Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. The Boat Tail comes with a two-door convertible inspired by J-Class yachts. And constructed on the premium platform architecture. The boat tilt is 232 inches in length and bores the Phantom 6.75 liters twin-turbo V12 an entire stack. It also features over 1,800 new components, including a one-of-a-kind clock and a luxury dining set for alfresco dining. This super luxury cart costs $28 million each. And now officially it is the most expensive new car in the world. Number 2. Bugatti Voiture Noir. This is the one and only car who held the title of the most expensive new car in the world until the 2021 reveal of a certain trio of Rolls-Royce coach builds. It is priced at over $18.7 million. Inspired by the latch injury Type 57 Atlantic. That was lost during World War II. The Noir rocks an all-black look with the modern horseshoe crow-LED headlights that finished on top of its real arches. The car's bodywork is entirely constructed of carbon fiber and all of its pieces are handcrafted. The model took 2 years to complete fabrication and testing. It is just now being given to its owner who has chosen to remain unknown. Number 3. Bugatti Centered ISI. The 10-unit limited edition Chantiachi was created to commemorate Bugatti's rich and a stormy 110-year history. The hypercar combines the current chassis of the best-selling series with an exterior inspired by the 1990 EB-110 from the brand's Italian time. The narrow horseshoe grille is paired with horizontal slats and then headlamps, creating a striking likeness up front. There are also 5 spherical air vents on the sides as well as a glass engine cover, which is powered by an 8-liter 16-cylinder engine with 4 turbochargers and comes with 1578 horsepower. The hypercar claims exceptional straight-line acceleration with a top speed of 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. 0 to 124 miles per hour in 6.1 seconds and 186 miles per hour in 13.1 seconds. Production is likely to commence in 2021 since it has already been reported tested in Germany. The cost per car is $9.7 million. Number 4. Pagani Huayra TriColor. This is most likely the final wire iteration before the release of the new Pagani model. This 3-unit special edition pays homage to the Italian fractured tricycle aerobatics group, which celebrated its 60th anniversary this year. Built on a regular wire carbon titanium monocoque, the supercar features updated no-roof bodywork and blue carbon weave accented by Italian flag collars. For added downforce, there is a new front splitter and rear diffuser, and the front bumper funnels cool air straight to the engine as well as an overhead intake scoop to ensure intake efficiency. TriColor's most significant enhancements are still hidden beneath the skin. The M6-liter twin-turbo VP Wealth has been upgraded to produce 840 horsepower and 811 pound-feet torque, making the automobile the family's most powerful member. The price of this supercar is $6.7 million. Number 5. Aston Martin Victor. This creation by Aston Martin's division is a tribute to Victor Gauntlet, the famous industrialist who restricted the company in the 1980s. The victory is underpinned by the last 78th chassis of a prototype 177, and received some important bits and pieces of the track-only Vulcan, which was limited to 24 units. Its all-carbon fiber bodywork was inspired by the Vantage V8. The broad and sculpted side skirts of the Live Man's Racer created by Rob and Hamilton include integrated side exit exhaust pipes. The dark green paintwork and custom wheels match the vintage design. But the proper propulsion unit for this build is a massive naturally aspirated V12 with 7.3-liter displacement and a maximum output of 836 horsepower. Finally, the Vector has a 6-speed manual transmission, making it the most powerful road-legal extant Martin with a stick with the price of $2.3 million. Number 6. McLaren Sabre. McLaren made a public statement in 2017 that the Vision concept was created primarily for the PlayStation 4 racing simulator Gran Turismo. Fortunately for us, the model now has a real-world execution in the form of 15 units. McLaren Sabre. This limited edition hypercar is part of the MSO Division customized program, which includes 15 clients who get to participate in its creation and custom design. They customize the appearance and interior to meet their own requirements. All Sabres are powered by a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that produces 824 horsepower, 34 more than the Santa Fe. The peak torque of 590 pound-feet remains unchanged, while the highest speed of 218 miles per hour is predicted. This final statistic makes the car the fastest McLaren has ever produced. The price of this car is $4.98 million. We desire you to acquire one of these fantastic cars someday. In exchange, we need you to hit the like and subscribe button. Also, check our other cool stuff showing up on the screen.